Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use BSQ. So first, open your BSQ app, and here on the market, and under it, the offer book, you can see here the value of the Bitcoin. And you can either sell Bitcoin here or buy Bitcoin. And here is the currency that you want to use. Just select what you need to use or what you want to use. On the offers by currency, here as you can see, is the listing of the offers by currency or on each currency. The US dollar has the most offers, while the offers by payment method, you can see here different types of payment methods, altcoins being the one on the top. And for the trades, you can see here the amount of USD that has been traded, the amount method, the date, and the price that has been traded. For the buy and sell, here you can create a new offer to buy Bitcoin. You can either select the currency, the payment method, and then on BSQ, you can also do the same thing but with BSQ, also with XMR and other currencies. Just simply select what you need from here. You select what currency you need, payment method, and then click on create new offer to buy. On selling, it's the same thing but here you need to sell the Bitcoin or other currencies. On the portfolio, here you can see the open offers available. You can either filter it out. So basically, you can see here your offers, your open offers. On open trades, you can see your open trades that you've made, unconfirmed BSQ swaps, and history. Here you can see the history of your whole BSQ. On the funds, here you can see the funds that you've added to your account, send funds, reserve funds, lock funds, and transaction. And that's basically it.